Hi guys, welcome back to a tutorial. This is another henna video since we're in henna season and everyone's getting ready to get decorated ready for summer holidays. This is not my design. I did it last night. I did some last night, some this morning. It's not my design. It is a mixture of a design by Mendy by Teresa and Anastasia HD Mendy. They're both amazing. I'll put their links down below so you can check them out. But it's a quick video on how to seal your henna with medical tape, which is a great way of doing it. I prefer it to sealing with lemon and sugar. Obviously you can seal your henna with lemon and sugar mix. I just don't like it because I don't like being sticky. Lemon and sugar is very sticky. So I prefer this medical tape version, which is here. So I'm just going to show you how I do it. It's really quick, really simple and super easy. So I have a roll of tape. The one I use is the Me Fix tape, which it comes in a roll like this. Not sure my camera's going to focus on it. I'll put links again down in the description where you can get everything. Just comes in a little box. That's definitely not going to focus. Yeah, it just comes in a little box like that, and then you have a roll of tape. Now on one side of the tape it's got this sort of material, on the other it's got the writing. So what you do really easily is you unroll the tape and put it on top of the design till you work out how big you need the piece to be, and then just cut it. Super easy. And then your henna has to be dry when you do this, but you want to peel the back of the tape off. And one side will be sticky and one side will be sort of the same texture as a bandage. So I'm just going to peel it off. And then you want to put the sticky side over the top of your henna and press it down. Now you want to make sure your henna's dry when you do this, obviously, because if you do it when it's wet it's going to smudge, and you don't want that because all your work on your pretty design will smudge. So you're just going to keep doing that all the way around. The Me Fix tape also has this funky little feature, I'm going to see if I can show you, where along the tape is this sort of zigzag line which makes it easier to take apart. So if you just pull it, you can see it kind of comes up in this funny shape. I'll show you more on this piece in a second, which makes it easier to undo. So you're just going to keep doing it all the way around, and this makes it a really neat and tidy way of covering up your henna to keep it on for longer, so your stains will be darker. This goes all the way down to my ankles, so I'm gonna keep taping this up, and I hope this has been a helpful little henna tip for this week, and I will see you guys in the next one, where I will be doing another henna tip video on Tuesday about how you can make your paste stick to the skin better without sealant or anything like that. So if you're interested in that video, please hit the subscribe button and click that little bell for notifications of when I upload more videos, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!